This is problem number 3 from section 3.1. We are going to use this definition right here in order to determine the value of f prime, in this case of -1. Using this definition, we'll get the limit as h approaches 0 of f of a plus h. Well, here's our f function, so that value of a plus h is 3 minus a plus h quantity squared minus f of a. F of a in this case is f of -1, and that's all over h. Let me clean that up a little bit. The limit as h approaches 0 of 3 minus a squared plus 2ah plus h squared, and then f of -1 is 3 minus -1 squared, and then that's all over h. Now I can ask myself right now, can I find the value of that limit? Well, if I plug and chug, if I take the value of 0 and put it where there's h is, I get to divide by 0. That's not allowed. So let's see if we can find some sort of cancellation, some sort of algebraic magic to help us on our way. So the limit as h goes to 0 of 3 minus a squared minus 2ah minus h squared, and then if we clean this up a little bit, I get -1 squared, that's +1. 3 minus +1 is 2. Alright, and then that's all over h. So let's try this again. The limit as h approaches 0 of 3 minus a squared minus 2ah minus h squared minus 2 all over h, and from there I'm going to get the limit as h approaches 0 of 1 minus a squared plus 2ah minus h squared, no longer minus, let's erase that, all over h. Now, I still haven't canceled the h. Oh, you know what? I know what a is. A is -1. So let me go and replace all the instances of a with -1. And when I do that, I get the limit as h approaches 0 of 1 minus -1 squared minus 2h minus h squared. And that's all over h. Let's continue that up here. The limit as h approaches 0 of 1 minus 1 minus 2h minus h squared all over h. Now this one and that one will cancel, and now there's a common h between these two terms. So the limit as h approaches 0 of h times -2 minus h all over h. And now those two h's nicely cancel. And now can I plug and chug? And the answer now is yes. And so I get -2 minus 0, or just plain old -2. So we'll say that f prime of -1 is -2.